How to make money from YouTube without making videos. Do you want to make money on YouTube without making your own videos or showing your face? Well, in this video I will teach you a great method to make money on YouTube without making your own videos. YouTube, in my opinion, is the best way to make passive income and achieve financial freedom. I mean, yes, there is a lot of ways to reach financial freedom and make a passive income, but when you compare the time investment and the income potential, I think that YouTube is the best way to go. Now, don't get me wrong, making passive income on YouTube is not easy and it'll take a lot of work, especially at the beginning. It's harder than a 9-to-5 job, but when you set everything up it'll be completely passive and you won't have to do any more work. In fact, when you reach a certain point you can source out all the work and invest your time starting other projects. You'll be making money on YouTube by uploading compilation videos. So, all you need is to make compilation videos in a certain niche like gaming, funny clips, top 10, music, etc. and post them consistently on YouTube. I have made a video about list of niche ideas that you can check, and think to get started. Please check the link in the description below. Compilation videos are very popular on YouTube and they get a lot of views. If you make good content and post consistently, you'll be discovered and start to make some good money. You'll be making money on YouTube from the ads that are being displayed on your videos. You'll be making videos like these. So, why use this method instead of just vlogging or making tutorial videos or any other method? Starting a personal YouTube channel nowadays is extremely difficult because no one knows you and doesn't relate to you. Making compilation videos is easy and doesn't demand a high editing skill. Plus you'll be posting content that you know people like to watch and has a big audience. This means that you're guaranteed to get views and to get discovered if you apply the exact steps that I'll be covering in this video. Now, I'll start explaining the exact steps you need to follow to start your own passive income. So please keep in mind that this method requires a lot of work and consistency. This is not a get-rich-quick method, but if you apply the exact steps of this method you'll start to make money from YouTube passively in no time. You can follow these 3 productivity improvement rules to properly plan your day and make sure that you stay focused on your goal. Find a niche. You need to find a niche that you'll be posting videos about and make money on YouTube. YouTube has a video for everyone, so you have to choose a niche and have a community of fans around it. By choosing a specific niche you'll gather an engaged audience that will watch all of your videos. There are a lot of niches that you can choose, but here are my suggestions. Funny clips. Everyone on YouTube watches funny clips videos on YouTube, so you have a huge audience. Plus they are extremely easy to find and edit. Instagram clips. Find viral clips on Instagram and use them for your YouTube channel. If those clips went viral on Instagram you're guaranteed to get at least a decent amount of views on YouTube. You can search Instagram for viral content in a specific niche, for example workout fails, cats, animals, etc. Music. Music is something that everyone in the world listens to. So you'll find great success with niche like music. For example, you can make motivation music videos, they have a lot of views on YouTube. Gaming. This is, by far, the easiest niche because it has a huge audience and finding clips is extremely easy. All you have to do is go to Twitch and you'll find an endless amount of clips that you can use. Now, gather content or clips to make your videos. Because you're not making your own videos, what you'll do is, you need to search for clips on YouTube with a Creative Commons license and make your content from those clips. Before I actually start explaining the steps to this method, I have to explain Creative Commons on YouTube. A Creative Commons license is one of several public copyright licenses that enable the free distribution of a copyrighted work. A Creative Commons license is used when an author wants to give other people the right to share, use, and build upon a work that he has created. That means that you can use videos that are published on YouTube under a Creative Commons license for your videos. This is a video with a Creative Commons license. How to find Creative Commons videos. Finding videos with a Creative Commons license is very easy. After you choose your niche, go to YouTube and search for relevant terms or topics that you want to post about. Then, click on Filter and under Features you select Creative Commons. By doing this, YouTube will only show videos that were published under a Creative Commons license. This means that you can use any of the videos that are being shown on that page. Now, don't take an entire video and repost it as it is. Although, you can do that, it's better if you edit a video and make it your own by adding your own intro and outro and your YouTube channel's name. Generally, people add their YouTube channel's name in the intro or the outro of a video so they get the viewers to subscribe. If you take a video and post it as it is, you'll be promoting other channels, not your own. So you should gather multiple videos, create your own compilation from them, and add your own intro and outro. Now that you have downloaded the videos, you need to create your own videos. You need a video editing software, and since you're only going to be doing some simple edits like you're only going to cut and paste clips, you're not creating effects or doing some complicated edits. You don't need to pay for a video editing software. You can use a free one like Camtasia and Hit Films. After you've installed a video editing software, you need to get an intro and outro. So all you have to do is search on YouTube, free YouTube intro, outro template. You will get a list of videos showing the intros, outros that they have to choose one, and you'll find the download link in the description of the YouTube video, or you can go to renderforest.com and get one from there. Now, you should start editing your video. First, choose a great 20 or 30-second clip and start your video with. By starting your video with a great clip, you'll hook people and get their attention, give them a reason to watch your video, and tell them what to expect from your video right from the start. Then, add in your intro, content as you see fit, and in the end, add in your outro and suggest other videos for viewers to watch. Before you go to the next step, you should prepare at least 30 videos and set them aside. I told this is not easy. You should prepare a bunch of videos so you upload consistently and don't fall behind in your schedule, because uploading consistently is very important for your channel's growth. Now that you have a bunch of videos ready, create a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter if you use your personal account or create a new one. What you have to do is add a great profile and cover photo. You can use canva.com to create profile picture and cover photo for your channel. Then, edit the About section of your YouTube channel and tell people what to expect from your channel. After preparing your videos and setting up your YouTube channel, it's time to start posting content. At the start, your goal is to upload at least 3 videos per day. You have to upload a lot at the start so you get more chances to get discovered by people. And once you start getting some views, you can lower that number to once a day. Don't get discouraged if your videos aren't getting any views, just keep posting, believe the views will come. When you're new to YouTube, no one knows, so YouTube won't recommend your content to anyone. So just be patient and gradually you'll get some exposure and start getting views. Now, use similar titles to the ones that you used to search for content and create great thumbnails on canva.com. Your thumbnail is extremely important because YouTube is a visual platform and people most of the times choose a video based on the thumbnail. So take your time and don't rush this step. Now, upload your videos and set them up to go public in a specific time every day. After uploading your videos, do some search engine optimization to get best results from your efforts. Here are few tips for search engine optimization of a YouTube video. Number 1. Rename your video file using a target keyword. Number 2. Insert your keyword naturally in the video title. Number 3. Optimize your video description. Number 4. Tag your video with popular keywords that relate to your topic. Number 5. Categorize your video. Number 6. Upload a custom thumbnail image for your video's result link. Number 7. Use an SRT file to add subtitles and closed captions. Number 8. Add cards and end screens to increase your YouTube channel's viewership. For better understanding, you should search on the YouTube about how to do SEO of a YouTube video. Remember that being consistent is very important, so by uploading your videos beforehand and setting them to go public in a specific time, you avoid the possibility of you forgetting to upload. In this method, pro tip is to set up a schedule. You can make a day where you only edit videos, another day to create thumbnails, and another one to upload videos to your YouTube channel. This is very important to your success, because if you don't make a schedule, you'll get overwhelmed with work and you won't get through the rough phase, which is the start. I hope this video will help you a lot in your journey to creating a passive income and start making money from YouTube without making your own videos. Thanks for your time. This was my approach on how to make money from YouTube without making your own videos. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for free training about how you can earn on YouTube without showing your face. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell so you will be notified in our future videos about how you can earn on YouTube without showing your face.